Building credit in 2026 is easier than ever, but only if you know the new rules. Most people are still trying strategies that worked 5 years ago and wondering why their score isn't moving. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build credit fast in 2026, using the systems that actually work right now. So let's start with what matters most. Your credit score in 2026 depends heavily on two things. Number one, your payment history, and number two, your credit utilization. These haven't changed, but the way you can boost them has. The fastest move this year is adding positive payment history instantly. And no, I'm not talking about becoming an authorized user on some random credit card. I'm talking about tools that report the bills you're already paying. Here are the 3 fastest ways to increase your score in 2026. First, add rental payment reporting. Most landlords are connected to systems that report your rent automatically, meaning you can add up to 2 years of positive history in minutes. Second, use a secured card that upgrades fast. In 2026, the new secured cards review your account every 30 days and can switch you to unsecured in under 90. That speeds up your credit building massively. Third, keep your utilization below 10%. This still matters. If you have a $300 limit, don't go over $30. Small balance, paid on time every time. That's what triggers score jumps. But here's what slows people down. Carrying a balance, completely unnecessary. Applying for too many cards slows your score. Closing old accounts hurts your average age of credit. In 2026, speed comes from consistency, not risk. So if you follow these steps, your score can start rising in as little as 30 days. If you want more strategies to build credit fast, stay out of debt, and grow your money in 2026, make sure you subscribe to Finance Forge. I drop new videos every week to help you master your money the smart way.